Hey guys, we're at home store. This is Coco. This is my little poodle. She loves shopping with me. Coco! And I just got in the store. This is Michelle from Million Dollar Dupe Shop with me at home. Found something already. You know those big bed pillows you always see on the bed and to design, pictures and houses that covers the whole back of the bed. This is like a king size one. See if I can turn it this way. $5.99. Now the problem is, do we have another one? Do we have another pillow? Of course they don't have another one. Maybe they have it in the back. Queen. We need another king. Standard queen. Why is that one so long? Standard queen. Sit down, Coco. Let's see. It's hiding from me over here. No. Oh, look what somebody left behind. Oh my gosh. Ralph Lauren. No, it's not Ralph Lauren. It's the Royal Collection. It looks like Ralph Lauren. The Royal Collection. Off-white carton. Comforter set. This is nice. I'm looking for all-white comforter set. Okay. That home store has so much. It's furniture, home decor, chairs, outdoor, artwork. Sit down, Coco, or something. Come on and sit. Sit down. Good job. $5.99. What is this? I guess it's a little. Oh, I thought it was like a little plastic tray. Oops, careful. This is cute. Put it on the dining room table. $12.99. These baskets are cute. And more comforters. This is a nice little bowl here. Sit down, Coco. Sit. Come on. Sit. Put a little pillow in there for you, Coco. Okay. This is cute. Somebody had to set this up. That was a lot of work. This is cute, like a like a mid-century model. They didn't even put a candle in here. It'd be nice to sit outside on the table somewhere and sit it up here, and you can see it a little better. There you go. Put a candle. Oh, look at this side. These globes are always nice to have for the home office. This is cute. $24.99. It's a little bit high. Coco. It's me. We got a lot lot of stuff in here. Oh my god. Look at my little napkins. St. Patrick's. No, Easter. These things look like real carrots. Oh my god. Huh. A wreath on the door. Look at these, look at these. I need one of these for my Philly leaf ficus that I have at home. Look at this with the interior design. Real marble faux look. Man, some good prices on these. I need one. Okay. $49. Not today. This is definitely Restoration Hardware inspired. Look at this. You can do a lot with those pieces. This is huge. It's plastic, so it's heavy. You know, it's pretty light. Sit, Coco. Sit down. I don't want to mess with this because. Sit down, sit down. There we go. I need one of those. This is the clearance section. Oh, look at these curtains. This is nice. Gray panel curtains. What's the clearance price? Didn't say, but it was $19.99, so it's probably half of that. This is cute. Little teenager's room or something, you know. This is nice. Never tell me the odds. Huh. It's cute. Jesus. A lot of picture frames. Oh, this is cute. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. I had to get this. I was not made to be subtle. Ha! Can you see that? This is cute. Ring and cell phone holder. Okay, I gotta get this. How much is it? It was $9.99. It's a line mark through it. We have no idea, but this is so cute. I was not made to be sold. I never been fabulous. Black and gold. Okay. Put your rings here. Cell phone holder. This is cute. Gotta get it. Tools tools for success. This is so true. Wi-Fi, coffee and caffeine. Hustler your dreams. It's cute. Plus you gotta look through everything. You never know what you're gonna see. Wait with a purpose. Okay, I see you. Sit down, Coco. Sit down. That's cute. Sit. I'm right here. So we don't miss any goodies. Okay. Let's go down this aisle. Oh, I might have some more goodies over here. Hold on. This is a chair. This, so much at that home store. This is the best bang for your buck. Live, love, bark. Oh, that's cute. You want that, Coco?
Shopping at your favorite home decor superstore just got more rewarded with the
Live,
At-Home
love,
credit
bark.
card. Apply today, and if approved, get 10% off your first purchase.
Let's get that.
6 months special
You want this,
financing on
Coco?
purchases of $299 or more. Plus,
You want this?
earn reward points on all purchases made with the At-Home credit
Hello.
card. All
Look
with
at
no
that.
annual fee.
There you go.
Rewards are issued on your monthly statement and can be used towards your next
It matches
purchase.
the black and gold. You know, the
Apply
black
today
and
at
gold
checkout. Subject to
thing.
credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. Exclusions apply to 10% offer.
Look at all these pictures on the bottom. Yeah. Nothing can separate us from His love. This week to do. That's cute. This week to do. Uh-oh, and right in front of me. We already got a nice home office light. This is matches the color thing. Black and gold. Black and gold. Let me get back a little bit, but I don't need it. It matches. You gotta bring a meal when you come in here because there's so much to see. That's a beautiful wreath. Are those eggs real? Wow, that's pretty. Uh-oh, I see something. Okay, this is pretty. This looks like $1 million. Oh, wow. Get back. You can see it now. This is pretty. Put it back up. I don't have the phone. This is cute. We got this week's menu. Okay, this is cute if you're trying to do something like eat a certain, food or do something every week, or cute if you got kids or something that they don't eat every day. This is cute. Clearance section. Sit down, Coco. You need something? Trying to give you a snack before we left. Oh, I see. That's different. It's nice. It's got a faux leather nail head design on here. $119. Okay, let me take this out because you keep moving around. These look fancy. Okay, hold on. $59. It's a good price point. Sit down, Coco. Come on, sit. I'll put your pillow right there. Sit down. Come on. There you go. Coco brought her black card. Isn't that cute? She's paying for this shopping trip. Oops, I dropped my tissue. Okay, this is nice. It comes in like a mauve color Page $59. This is a good little, nice little stand. Okay. It's cute. Faux leather ones. Now we're really here to look at the furniture, the restoration hardware dukes. I'll say that for another video though. That's gonna be today. Oh, I think I had a similar one. I had a taller version of this. This is really nice. Bar stool. This is nice too. It's $99. I see some beautiful tufted chairs. Hold on. Look at this. Now this looks like $1 million. You have a nice Carrera marble dining room table. You're trying to match the chairs with. This is nice. This looks really nice. It's soft. $149. Okay. It's a good deal. They have so many nice. We got stuff on the floor here. So many nice chairs and everything. Let's see what's down this aisle. Okay, we got the. Okay. Definitely. Restoration hardware. Paris, France. Deconstructed. Look at the chairs. Let's see. I think these are fabric chairs. Yeah. These are nice. I have so many chairs from this place. I had to get Uber XL to deliver. That's when I decided I needed to get an SUV. I got so many things that are Uber XL. If you guys are out shopping and you're trying to figure out how you're going to get it home, call Uber XL. Have them put it in the big truck. That's what I did. Okay, so if you like what you're seeing, smash that like button. We do videos like this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 7 days a week. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Coco. Coco. Say bye.